December 2021. Mosinara, the beloved aunt of one of our team members, was diagnosed with breast cancer. She and her family endured significant challenges in each step of treatment. 13,000 new diagnoses and 7,000 deaths each year. The main struggles patients face during her battle with breast cancer are late detection. In low and middle income countries, 30 to 50% of breast cancer cases are diagnosed at advanced stages. To address these challenges, we launched PinkLifeLine, dedicated to early detection and full support for breast cancer patients. PinkLifeLine will be focused on the prevention of early-stage breast cancer with features such as scheduling optimal screening time and self-test reminder. The process of self-testing will be simplified with a LED-based, portable and affordable self-testing kit developed by us. It is associated with an app to preserve images. Our app streamlines doctor helps users to find hospitals with cost comparisons for a hassle-free experience and securely stores digital reports. And a community forum is also created for patients' mental health support and information sharing. The goal of PinkLifeLine is to have a lasting positive impact by reducing mortality rate by 30%. We align with 5 SDG goals. Pink Life, a promise of a healthy tomorrow.